Hey, good morning everyone. What's it called? Everyone's asleep still. Because they stayed up pretty late last night and they drank a little bit, just a little bit. And I have work all day, so you're not gonna see much of me. Sorry about that. There's not much I can do. But I'll see you guys maybe later if I feel like vlogging everyone at work. I doubt I will because I'm pretty sure they're not gonna be camera ready. But yeah, I brought snacks to work too. I brought, who doesn't like sour cream and cheddar ruffles? And Sour Patch straws. Nom 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 nom. Alright, bye. Woo! Hi guys, just got off of work. Oh, look at how oily my face is. Yeah, got off work. It's like 9:46. My friend that used to work here with us, oh my god, my face is just really oily. He's having a barbecue at his place, so I'm debating if I want to go there or not. Still debating. Maybe, we'll see. I'll go home, change, and think about it. Alright, bye! Alright, you guys, how was Dragon Ball Z?
Don't worry about it. It was good. It was awesome. It was shiny!
How you think? How'd you like Dragon Ball Z, honey?
It was good. I liked it.
They drove 30 minutes to a movie theater just to go watch it because every other movie theater around us is sold out. And now they're playing. Dang it, you can't see. They're playing Dragon Ball Z now. Because they on that Dragon Ball Z hype now. Peachy, do you wanna go? Do you wanna meet people? Do you wanna go see people? Do you wanna have fun? Yeah? Is that what you wanna do?
Hey. Fuck you. Yeah, you, Crystal. It's over. Has to be, right?
Peachy, you wanna go? Do you wanna see people? The way she cocks her head.
Yeah.
Do you wanna go? Yeah? Is that where you wanna go?
You wanna go outside?
Vlogs now? So tell me what you got.
All the food?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start here. Roasted corn with bacon jalapeno whipped butter.
Butter.
Yes. I got smoked pork and smoked chicken. Then we have a habanero mango paprika sauce, homemade barbecue. Then I have over here
Damn, okay, I didn't look at over here.
hatch chili mac and cheese. And then for dessert, we're having blackberry balsamic cobbler topped with ice cream and coffee candied pears.
Ah.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
No problem. Because I want some. I want some, Christopher. I want some. Hi. Have you ever been to Chris's house?
Nope.
It's so stuffy and old, and I don't know.
You guys want some tacos?
Not really. We're just playing for fun, but we're not really playing for legit. We're just trying to figure it out.
You name the plot of like a movie. You can't use the title.
Wait,
You can't use the title.
Oh, wait, yeah, you can't sit right here. Sit right here.
You can't use the title in
Sit
your
right here.
explanation.
Why?
Because
Or-
you're lucky.
You can't use the title in the explanation or any actors or actresses. So alright, here, guess this movie, alright? You know this one. Gotta Catch 'Em All. Or a show, whatever.
Pokemon?
Yes!
Good
You got
job. See, you're good at really fast thinking. I can't fast think.
it. You wanna do movies? You wanna do movies instead?
No, it don't matter. Actually, just go through anything. Any show. You just have to put the category, and then there you go, and then just do it because we're not timing this one.
Disney. No. Nickelodeon. It's a show. 3 friends get together and make a web show.
Oh, iCarly.
Ha!
Okay, Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon. He writes a journal on how to live in school.
Nerds Declassified.
Yes.
Ned's Declassified.
Ned's Declassified. Yes.
Sweet Light is like Cody.
I would have been like hot young Asian girl.
That could be any show. Movie. Disney. Hot young Asian girl. She learns karate to save the world.
No. It's
Wendy Wu.
Wendy Wu.
Yeah.
Cartoon Network has a hole in his tooth, scared of everything.
Curse of calling out.
There you go.
Oh, Cartoon Network, 3 guys.
Eddie.
Alright. Old school. Nickelodeon, skateboard.
Rocket Squad, Team Rocket Squad, Rocket Power.
Rocket Power.
Okay.
No, Nickelodeon, 3 girls that has
Totally Spies.
Nope.
It's Cartoon Network.
Powerpuff Girls.
Yeah.
Okay,
A crew of hippies. They're detectives.
Scooby-Doo.
Ha!
Aha. Okay, we're getting better at this.
okay, AMC, Bloody.
Saw.
No.
Saw 3.
Saw 2. AMC, Bloody.
And Walking Dead.
There you go.
It deals with wands.
Harry Potter. Huh?
Teletubbies. Wow.
What the fuck? You should have said there's a baby in the sun.
Wow.
You should have said there's a baby in the sun.
alright.
That's all I know.
Okay, there's a guy. It's a kids show. It used to be on PBS Kids. He fixes things. He's a carpenter.
Bodybuilder. Can we fix it? Yes, we can.
Okay, movie. 3 witches, 2 kids, they found a mummy. There's a talking cat that turns into a
Hocus
prince.
Pocus.
There you go.
Wow.
I only know because they're gonna make a Hocus Pocus 2.
There's a movie that has a lot of cartoon characters in it.
Space Jam.
No, not yet. Hold on, let me see. There's Pac-Man.
Pixel.
Fix it.
Wow. Okay, we're trying to go for old.
Felix.
Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah.
Pac-Man wasn't in it.
Cartoon Network, they go by numbers.
Oh, Kids Next Door.
There you go.
Ah.
Nigel Uno.
Okay.
There's a really smart kid. He's a scientist. He has a really yay.
I forgot the. There's a guy that sits on the pink chair. He always uses notes and.
Blue's Clues.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big Red Dog. Big Red Dog.
Clifford.
We said that.
Go.
It's right after Sabumafu all the time. 5 o'clock, 5:30. It comes on.
You act like I know my childhood like that. Show. They battle with cards.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Okay.
Show. They battle with tops.
Pokemon.
Tops?
Bakugan.
Beyblade.
Yeah.
Beyblade.
Big
Okay.
Red Dog.
Movie.
Science.
Don't give him a knife.
Raid.
Yeah.
Raid 1 and 2.
Show. They battle with.
Digimon.
Yeah.
They battle
I
with
don't know. I was gonna say Boxmon or something.
Okay.
Show. There's a naked mole rat.
Kim Possible.
Yeah.
Show. Three girls that are secret agents.
Totally Spies.
Yes.
Show. What's it called? I like potatoes.
Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends.
Yeah.
Show. Alien. He keeps on plotting to destroy the human race.
It is him.
Yeah.
That was my favorite show. I'm so pissed they canceled it too.
Old show. Bam, 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 bam,
Flintstones.
bam. Yeah.
It is like friend is a drawn.
Oh, let me talk about Chalk Zone.
Yes.
Wow, that is really old.
Chalk Zone. The mouse helps runs to the dog.
Tom and Jerry.
There you go.
Okay.
He's nuts.
No. Ohana means family.
Lilo and Stitch.
Yes.
Movie. Giant lizard.
Oh, Godzilla.
What the Fuck you too. Okay. Movie. 5 heroes.
5 heroes.
5 heroes.
Avengers.
Fuck you too. Anime. Rides a fucking elk. Had tried to defend his village. There you go.
Toonami, old school. He has silver hair, red outfit, and then he has a necklace where the girl always says, "Sit."
Inuyasha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nickelodeon, water, fire.
Nickelodeon, pineapple, Under the Sea.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Nickelodeon,
Who lives in a
Ghost as a
pineapple?
superhero, white hair, black superhero outfit.
Danny Phantom.
Channel movie. I'm a group of girls and we sing and we like
That's so
High School Musical.
and we like a certain print and then we're all sisters in this.
Oh!
Come on now.
They sing together.
Yeah, they sing together.
Oh!
And-
Cheetah Girls.
Yeah, Cheetah Girls. And then
Horror Story. I don't know.
The Orphan.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That shit was fucked up. That chick was like 50 years
The
old.
Orphan.
Yeah.
I want scary.
Ah! Don't say anything, fucker. Don't say anything. Left 4 Dead, wrong turn.
Hey, wrong turn. Yes.
I've been playing this for shots. I'd be sober as fuck.
I forgot how that beat went. There you go. We have to listen to it.
It's an action movie. Aliens come because Earth became tried to send out a signal to some other planet.
Battleship.
There you go, Battleship.
Show, Nickelodeon. Kid has big ass ice cream cone looking head. And Brain Blast.
I was thinking.
Jimmy Neutron.
I was thinking
Yes.
about Astro Boy.
What?
Yeah.
Why can't we remember the
I don't know. That was like our favorite movie too.
Did you want to go to bed?
Get hard.
Oh yeah, I was cute.
Okay, say goodnight, honey. Say goodnight. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, fuckers.
Big life.
I'm the Joe in this group.
And she's my baby.
You ready?
Say goodnight. Say goodnight.